Hi, my name is Julia Conway and I am introducing GIMP for introduction video number 4 for AEP 800 mini assignment number 3. And GIMP is a program that you need to download from gimp.org, and you just scroll down and go to download GIMP directly, and that will go prompt you to get it downloaded. Once you have it downloaded, you open up the program and you want to select a picture that you can edit. So this demo is showing students how to download a picture from the computer and edit it digitally to black and white. So you go to File and Open, and from there you pick out of one of your files a picture that you want to use. You can use JPEGs or TIFFs. You are not able to use raw images unless you can convert it on another program that complies with GIMP. So then you would open it. I already have mine opened. And so to desaturate the colors is what we're going to use to convert it to black and white. There are many paths to do this, but this is the fastest way and the easiest way for sure. So we want to go to desaturate under the colors tab, and then under desaturate you go to desaturate again, and it automatically transferred it to black and white. Right now it's on luminance. We'll go back to that in a minute, but there's different others. I'm going to go over lightness. So if you click lightness, it changes it to black and white as well. But lightness adds the largest quality of red, green, or blue, and the smallest value, and divided by 2. So with that preset, it's mathematical, and so I'm going to show you the difference between lightness and the average setting. If you click on average setting, it changes slightly. What changes is instead of doing it the way lightness did, average uses numerical average conversion of the reds, greens, and blues. My favorite one to use is what it had on to begin with, is luminance. Luminance is best because it actually shows what our eyes as humans perceive, and our eyes perceive green lighter than red and both lighter than blue. So this is the best one to use to convert to black and white. Thank you. And I hope this helps you with your digital imaging.